A few tips for you to implement today to increase the vitality and overall health of the body. Number one, sun exposure, nature walks. These are very important to increase the melatonin level, this chemical that pineal gland in your brain produces at night to detox your body. You want to do a clean diet. That's very important. No processed food in your diet. No vegetable oils. Vegetable oils are very high in omega-6 linoleic acids, and those are highly inflammatory. And vegetable oils, because of the processing that it occurs to make vegetable oils, they become rancid at the end, and they have to use chemicals to put perfume on them so they don't smell rancid. A good fat to cook with is ghee, butter, tallow, like animal fats. Those are wonderful and stable fat to cook your food with. Exercise, but you don't want to do too much of cardiovascular exercise. You want to do resistance training because you want to build muscles to increase your metabolism and reduce the insulin resistance in your body. Give blood. Most of us, especially menopausal women, men, we have very high amounts of iron. So irons are oxidizing to the body. So give blood, help someone else, in turn help your body to stay healthy.